So I run an educational institute and I've sent automated bulk WhatsApp messages to all my leads informing them that I have received their inquiries successfully. And you know that many businesses are doing this right now, sending bulk WhatsApp messages and using WhatsApp marketing. But you also know that some fear and some have already got their number blocked because of this. Why? Because they do not use official API to send these bulk WhatsApp messages. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can use official API to send bulk WhatsApp messages so that your number is not going to get blocked very soon, and it is going to reduce the chances of your numbers getting blocked. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do that. For that, you just have to watch this tutorial till the end and open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, which is going to reduce the chances of your number getting blocked. Yes, we are official Meta tech provider and we can help you send bulk WhatsApp messages, create AI chatbots, and do much more of WhatsApp marketing without risking your number getting blocked. And the best part is that you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. You can click on the sign up for free button and try Pabbly Chatflow for free and send bulk WhatsApp messages for free and use official WhatsApp Business Cloud API. And further, I will just let you know that if you like Pabbly Chatflow, you can purchase the subscription plan, but let's just keep that for the later part of this video, and let's first see how to create this amazing campaign with official API. So to do this, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you just have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard. Then you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside this. Okay, and if you want to learn how to add this WhatsApp number with official API, then for that, if you haven't added the number yet, you're going to get the video on the dashboard, or if you want, the video is also attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, come on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Now what you have to do is you have to choose the broadcast campaign and name your broadcast. I'm just going to name this broadcast as the name of the institute right over here. So let me just enter the name. Now we have to select the contact list to whom we want to send this message. So let's say you want to select multiple contact lists, you can do it right over here. Let's say you want to select only one contact list, you can do that too. You can also select 2 or 3 or any of your choice. But before selecting the contact list, you should know how to create contact list, right? For that, from the left hand of the side, come on this contact section, and from here you can add contacts. You can create the contact list simply. After you create the contact list, you just have to choose them right over here. If you want to exclude some contact lists, you can choose them right over here, and if you want to exclude some specific contacts, you can choose that too right over here. Apart from that, if you want to exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window, you can do it from this toggle button. Now the next is this message types. You can select a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a regular message, you can go on this regular message, select the message type and enter your message. But if you go for a pre-approved template message, then from the left hand of the side, you have to come on this template list section, and over here you have to create a template like I have already created over here. You just have to go on this add template button and add your template. We also have some templates which you can explore and you can use if you want. And once your template is created, you have to wait till Meta approves your template. After Meta approves your template, you're good to go, and you can select the WhatsApp template right over here like I have selected. In this WhatsApp template, you can see here is hello name in curly brackets. What is this name? I want to replace this name with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my lead receives a personalized WhatsApp message. So what I'm just going to do is in this body field 1, I'm just going to type $name in order to keep this field as dynamic. If you want to learn more about this, from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then towards this contact custom fields. We have some universal contact custom fields like the name, mobile number, first name and last name. So you can copy the field name right over here and paste it in the body field 1, which is $name, which is going to be replaced with this name in curly brackets, and mention the name of the lead every time the WhatsApp message is sent. If you want to create some fields like this yourself, then you have to just simply add it down over here. You have to click on this add more fields button, enter the field name, and that variable will also be created. If you want to learn more about this, just check the description box below. We have the video dedicated towards this. You can check that out too. Okay, so now we have successfully entered this message. So click on this done button and we are good to go. It is in contact name and the mobile number. So before sending this to multiple clients and customers at once, you can simply test it yourself. You can enter your own number and your own WhatsApp name and click on the send test message, and you're going to see test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp and you can see hello demo lead, and the messages looking perfect. I can send it to all the leads. Okay, so to send it to all the leads, I have two options. I can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if I wish to send instantly, I can go on this no send instantly and then add broadcast button to send instantly. If I want to schedule this for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later, go on this date and time to choose the date and time and schedule it according to the date and time I want. And now before we move on further and complete this broadcast, I'll just let you know that this discount coupon code, which is RITYT, is going to give you a very huge amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to type RITYT to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow like this. So like this, you can get the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. So let's continue with the broadcast. Over here is automatic retry for failed contacts. If you want that, let's say you have a contact list of 100 of leads and to 90 the message is delivered, but for the 10 the message got failed. So you can simply switch on this button to automatically retry for those 10 contacts. I'm just going to switch it off and click on this add broadcast button, and now you can see the broadcast is scheduled for the wished date and time right over here. And once this broadcast is sent, I can go on the send section to view the stats of this broadcast, how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And like this, you have successfully learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages using official API. So go and try this right now because we are offering a free trial, and then if you like it, don't forget this amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Apart from that, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, everyone.